Good morning everybody, Richard Strang from the UK. This morning's video is about getting some free airdrops and how you go about getting those free airdrops. So first one we'll look at is Bitmart, which is a fantastic exchange. I've been on for over 8 months. They're dishing out some free BMX. All you have to do is basically join the site, obviously, complete KYC, just do one trade and you'll automatically get free BMX sent to your Bitmart account. So it's an excellent way. Bitmart at the moment is registered in Cayman Islands. Its offices are in New York, China, Hong Kong, Seoul. It was launched in March 2018. The BMX token is actually built on the Ethereum platform. At the moment it's ranked 661 on CoinMarketCap. Its all-time high was 18 cents. At the moment it's just over 1 cent. So because they're giving out some free BMX. And I sort of said before, with these airdrops, these free tokens, personally what I do is have a separate Gmail account purely just for my tokens, so you can keep track of them and their progress. Obviously send emails with updates, etc. It's up to you, just the way I personally do it. I say you actually go on the exchange itself, and I say I've been on it quite a while now, and it's a fantastic exchange. You know, it does everything you want. Now you can even buy coins with fiat with your debit card, which is great, you know. And when you go through all their 233 trading pairs just on Bitcoin alone, look at all these massive coins. You know, the big ones are on here. EOS, NEO. You know, you scroll down. Qtum, Link, Litecoin, Dash, Waves, Stellar, Ripple, Ethereum. As I said before, look, they've got Binance token on here. You know, Binance Coin is the only sort of exchange token on other exchanges. You know, it's got Cosmos, Atom, basic attention token, which we're going to talk about in a minute, ZRX. So anyway, it's a great exchange. You can also earn on this site through staking, which again I spoke about yesterday on Binance. Just by holding Dash, Qtum, and also see at the bottom Algorand, Atom, you know, and he's got Qtum and Dash. You get free rewards. So just for holding it on their site. So absolutely fantastic. The launchpad is what Binance, Bittrex do as well. States there, look, Bitmart Launchpad is a global acceleration platform for blockchain projects to build and scale great products. Bitmart Launchpad provides exclusive early access to premium selected tokens for subscribers. I know what happened on Binance when they do this, the coin just rockets, you know, on launch. So Bitmart are doing the same thing. So I think Bitmart is a great exchange. I think, you know, the fact the token's 661, to me personally, that's only going to go higher. And the fact they're giving out free BMX, what have you got to lose? That's why I see it. And people have said before, you know, why bother with airdrops? Are they worth it? Well, as I said before about my best one, will I ever beat it? I don't know, was energy. I got nearly 150 for just doing a few basic social media tasks, like follow them on, like their Facebook, you know, follow them on Twitter, retweet a pinned tweet, you know, stuff like that, you know, and follow them on YouTube, LinkedIn. And, you know, I've got all this free energy, and energy's obviously climbing up the charts, and everyone knows one of my favourites in my top 10 holdings. That's how much energy I've bought. And last June it went to $10, and I got nearly 150 for just doing a few tasks. You know, that's how great some of these airdrops can be. And there will be some gems coming out. It's just a case of finding them. Yep, you get a few which just peter off into nothing. You know, and then obviously it was a waste of time. But because they're free, what have you got to lose? So, and also airdrops are basically another source of income. You know, what have you got to lose? As I say, you know, airdrops are fresh tokens basically that are distributed free during launch of an ICO to attract the attention of potential customers. Airdrops can be used for upcoming ICOs or established blockchain networks to help investors differentiate between old tokens and fresh new tokens, for instance. So basically airdrops are issued free, just like any business promotional campaigns would do at a trade fair, for example. You know, by issuing free tokens, and then you carry out the basic social media tasks to get those tokens. I say, like in their social media pages, retweeting a pinned tweet, their token gets out in the public sector and is more visible to more and more people. So as a reward for doing that for them, they give you free tokens. That's basically it. So one that constantly dishes out free tokens is Basic Attention Token. You know, BAT, ranked 32 on CoinMarketCap, currently 20 cents. All-time high was nearly $1 back at the last bull run, 2018. Fantastic project. basic attention project. What you have to do, you have to download the Brave. Go on basically brave.com and download the Brave for Mac OS. If you've got Apple or whatever, Windows 32-bit, and they give you free basic attention token. So the project is an open source, decentralized ad exchange platform built on Ethereum platform. Advertisers pay BAT, basic attention token, to publish a website for attention of users. And the BAT ecosystem includes Brave to block trackers, malware, and it's just a fantastic way. It blocks all the ads, and people use the Brave browser for their general everyday usage. So it is a fantastic project, and they do give you free BAT. You know, I haven't got a link at the moment. Just go on brave.com, download, get yourself some free BAT. You know, fantastic. You know, why not, as they say. Another project which I'm actually looking at the moment, which is claiming to dish out $100 in free tokens, Cipla tokens. It's a company actually based in London, and their website at the moment, ciplatoken-all.site, is currently down for maintenance. It's only just been launched. You go through their Twitter, you scroll through what their plans are, and you know, it's again, they're stating when you go, I've looked into already what they actually want from you is, again, just basic social media tasks. But it's like their Facebook, follow them on Twitter, retweet, etc. Watch their YouTube. They've got their own YouTube channel now, explain how you go about getting the airdrops. And what Cipla actually want to do, what their actual mission is, they want to have a market exchange focused on multiple security, such as your DDoS, your SSFR, you can see it's HTTP. And I say they want to build a safe, simple, mobile-friendly market exchange, an ability to connect huge external exchanges. And the airdrop is going to be limited to 10,000 people, and they're giving away tokens worth $100 each. So again, fantastic. I'll wait for the site back up. I've seen on other sites and other referrals, what people are basically saying is that you just do all these tasks, you complete a basic airdrop form, follow their Telegram, and follow it from there. But anyway, so when the site's back up and running, I'll go back through this, and we'll take it from there. Now, talking about freebies, that's what the whole point of this video. I don't know if people are aware of this. Most people probably are. If you go on Coinbase, go on the dashboard. At the bottom there, earn free crypto with Coinbase Earn. Now, earn crypto for doing absolute basic things. I'll just click on this. So, earn crypto while learning about crypto, basically. Discover how specific cryptocurrencies work and get a bit of each crypto to try it out for yourself. Now, been on this quite a while. Like Orchid, I've joined the waitlist. I actually have some Orchid anyway. Fantastic little privacy tool. New crypto on. It's rapidly up the charts now in the top 200. Tezos, again, I've joined the waitlist. DAI, I've earned my $20 a DAI. But there you go, look, $40 of EOS still to be claimed out of my referrals. So get your free EOS. Might as well, to be honest. What have you got to lose? EOS at the moment is about $2 each, I believe. The last bull run, it was $15 each. So get your free EOS, get some friends to get EOS, and you could have literally up to $40 in EOS. So, you know, will that give you 20 EOS? Now, if it reaches its all-time highest again, which I'm sure it will with EOS being the project that it is, it's easy money for you. And XLM, I earned $50 of XLM. Again, if XLM went up to its previous highs, it's a lot of free money, basically. Zcash, I missed out on that one. Basic attention token, now I've earned that one. ZRX, I missed out on that one. And the guy explains there in the video is the CTO of Coinbase, Balaji, and he explains what they are and why they do it. And this is how you do it. You watch some videos, and I watched them. They're like, for instance, like a minute long, and you answer a very basic question. You just keep selecting the answers till you get it correct if you don't know the answers. As it says there, complete the quiz and you earn, and it's instantly in your account. So, say with EOS and XLM and all these great projects, it's all free. You know, just take 5 minutes of your time to get yourself some free crypto. I've got a link below for Coinbase. But I say all these are fantastic projects, highly established, longevity projects. You know, huge. Some of my favourites on it. And the next bull run, basically, when you've got all these free tokens, what they're going to be worth then, just watching a couple of videos, it's just incredible. You can get all this free crypto. So, any help needed, obviously, just let me know. Just hit me below with any questions, queries. There's lots of links below. Follow them if you want to. Entirely up to you. But don't forget to reach out if you need any assistance whatsoever getting started with crypto. If you're already involved with crypto and you've got some questions, best way is email me info@cryptostrang.com. or just on social media. Whatever's easiest for you guys. Thanks very much for watching. We'll speak soon. Cheers. Bye.